Your body has a secret defense system you might not even know about: the lymphatic system. This system is like a network of tiny rivers flowing throughout your body, carrying a clear fluid called lymph. Lymph is super important because it carries away waste, toxins, and even germs. Along these lymphatic rivers are small bean-shaped organs called lymph nodes. Think of them as checkpoints or filters. Lymph nodes house special immune cells that capture and destroy harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Lymph nodes are located in strategic places throughout your body, like under your arms, in your groin, and in your neck. They are usually small and barely noticeable, but they play a big role in keeping you healthy. You have a group of lymph nodes located under each arm, nestled close to your armpit. These lymph nodes are responsible for filtering lymph fluid from your arms, chest, back, and even parts of your breasts. These little guardians are always on the lookout for anything suspicious. When they detect something harmful, they sound the alarm and trigger an immune response to fight off the invader. Because of their location, the lymph nodes under your arms often become enlarged when you experience an infection or illness that affects the upper part of your body. Lymph nodes are usually small and hardly noticeable. These small bean-shaped glands are part of the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in your body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. They are scattered throughout your body, including your neck, armpits, and groin, but when they are working hard to fight off an infection, they can become more prominent. This often happens when you have a cold, flu, or other infections. Your lymph nodes act as filters, trapping viruses, bacteria, and other causes of illnesses before they can infect other parts of your body. They can become enlarged and tender to the touch. This tenderness is a sign that your immune system is actively fighting off the invaders. You might notice this tenderness when you touch the area or when you move in certain ways. This is what we call swollen lymph nodes, and it's a sign that your immune system is working hard. Swollen lymph nodes are a common response to infections and are usually a good indicator that your body is doing its job. Swollen lymph nodes under the armpit can feel like small round bumps. These bumps can vary in size from as small as a pea to as large as a cherry. The size of the swollen lymph nodes can give you an idea of how your body is responding to the infection. They might be tender or even painful to the touch. This pain can be a dull ache or a sharp stabbing sensation depending on the severity of the infection and the sensitivity of the area. In some cases, the skin over the swollen lymph nodes might be red or warm. This redness and warmth are signs of inflammation, which is your body's way of protecting itself from further harm. Most of the time, swollen lymph nodes are nothing to worry about and will go away on their own once the underlying infection clears up. Your body is incredibly efficient at healing itself, and swollen lymph nodes are just one part of that process. However, there are times when swollen lymph nodes can be a sign of a more serious condition. If the swelling persists for several weeks, or if the nodes feel hard or rubbery, it's important to seek medical advice. Persistent swollen lymph nodes can sometimes indicate more serious issues, such as immune system disorders or even cancers like lymphoma.